Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 tips to practice to peace. The 3 tips you can do today are: 1. Find your quiet place, real or imagined. 2. Take at least 1 conscious deep breath. The more you do, the quicker you'll find some peace. 3. Listen to nature sounds or calming music. Hi, I'm Sheila, and I'm here to help you stress less and find more peace. Let's start with a quick check-in. On a scale from 1 to 10, how stressed do you feel right now? Next, let's take a 5-second deep breath in. Breathe in for 5. Hold for 5. And then breathe out for 5. Good. You're off to a great start. If you like, gently shake out your hands or say out loud or silently, I am letting go of my stress and allowing peace to flow in. Your last tip is listen to nature sounds or calming music. You can listen while sitting or on a walk. Today, I'm including a recording of nature sounds. Nature sounds of a fountain water flowing and the wonderful birds singing to guide you back to peace. The nature sounds will be for about 3 to 4 minutes. Feel free to simply be. When you're done, ask yourself again, on a scale from 1 to 10, how stressed do you feel now? Do you notice a shift, even a small difference? One of the best ways to stress less is to find your why, to be conscious of it. I have a free 7-tip guide to help you discover why you're stressed and how to find more peace. Sign up with your email and your name, just your name and email. This link is in the video description and first pinned comment. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Also leave a comment to let others know how it helped you, or share your before and after stress numbers. In peace, and until next time.